Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to present some ideas on pallet furniture. The pallet furniture has gained significant traction in recent years, combining eco-friendliness, creativity, and functionality. This innovative industry is all about repurposing wooden pallets into unique and stylish pieces of furniture, offering customers an environmentally conscious alternative to mass-produced furniture items. With a focus on sustainability and craftsmanship, the pallet furniture business has carved out a niche in the home decor and interior design market. One of the primary appeals of pallet furniture business is its commitment to sustainability. Wooden pallets, often discarded after their initial use in shipping and logistics, are given a second life as beautiful and functional pieces of furniture. This upcycling approach reduces the demand for new wood, minimizes waste, and lowers the carbon footprint associated with furniture production. As consumers become increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, the allure of sustainability and eco-friendly options continues to grow. Pallet furniture is not just about functionality, it is also an art form. Skilled craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts alike revel in their creative freedom this business offers. The inherent rustic charm of pallet wood allows for a wide range of designs, from shabby, chic, to industrial to modern minimalism. Customers can choose or commission pieces that match their unique taste and interior decor, making each purchase a personalized statement of style. Compared to high-end designer furniture, pallet furniture is often more affordable. The lower cost of materials and the DIY ethos of industry contribute to this cost advantage. Additionally, the widespread availability of wooden pallet means that aspiring entrepreneurs can easily source their materials. This accessibility allows small businesses and hobbyists to enter the market, further promoting a diverse range of products and styles. While the pallet furniture business offers numerous benefits, it's not without its challenges. Quality control is essential to ensure that pallet wood is properly treated and free of contaminants. Additionally, the competition in market can be fierce, necessitating a strong brand and marketing strategy to stand out. Building a reputation for craftsmanship and reliability is crucial to success. The pallet furniture business is poised for continued growth as sustainability becomes an increasingly significant concern for consumers. As people seek alternatives to disposable and environmentally harmful products, the appeal of furniture that repurposes waste materials will only intensify. Collaborations with interior designers and home decor influencers can also help expand the market reach. The pallet furniture business exemplifies the marriage of sustainability and creativity. It offers eco-conscious consumers a chance to furnish their homes with distinctive, handcrafted pieces while supporting more sustainable approach to consumption. As this industry continues to evolve and adapt to changing consumer preferences, it will likely remain a compelling option for both entrepreneurs and consumers seeking a greener and more aesthetically pleasing way to furnish their living spaces. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.